Hey everybody, gonna do a quick Lee Loadall 2 20 gauge modification that I hope helps some people out that are having issues with your starting crimps and buckling at the bottom of your hauls. Here's some of my last three I tried doing before I was like, I need to fix this because it's not working out properly. And so what I did was I took a 12 gauge haul and I stuck it up inside the starting crimp, hole, so that way it was easier and keeps more pressure around these sides so it doesn't have that buckling issue. And these are 3-inch 20 gauge Fiocchi hauls. Fiocchi. And I'll show you really quick how it works. You get a nice uniform crimp, a lot better than what it was doing. And there you have it, a lot better crimps. I didn't go down far enough on that one, but you get the idea and how they're looking. I'm liking this a lot better than that crap right there. Alright, hope this video is helpful, and go with it. Thanks for watching.